Okay, now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a structure from zip file in Gauss view. Zip file is actually a crystallographic information file, and that zip file is obtained when you are working experimentally and you grow some crystals and you send those crystals to some crystallographer, and the crystallographer solves for the structure and generates the information in the form of a zip file. Zip file contains a lot of information, and many softwares in computational chemistry can actually read the zip file. Gauss view can also read the zip file, but I do not recommend using zip file directly in the Gauss view. I can show you why. For example, I have this zip file sr1.zip from my collaborator. If I drag this zip file to this Gauss view, you can see this file is open. But what is the problem here? This is opened in the form of a box because the zip file contains the information of a periodic 3D structure where the structure is expanding in the form of like A, B, C, or X, Y, Z dimensions. And especially if you're a beginner or not really expert in reading zip files, probably you will not be able to understand what molecule is this one because it is not easy to find exactly what the molecule is. And having this type of file in front of you is not helping you, but it is creating problems or confusion for you. Generally, we work in two-step process to open up a zip file. In my computer, the zip file is set to be opened by Mercury software by default. You can see here it is showing Mercury. I really like Mercury software for opening the zip files. Mercury software is actually from the Cambridge Crystallographer database, like CCDC. And if I click this one, the zip file will be opened directly in the Mercury software. You can get the Mercury software from CCDC website or Cambridge Crystallographer database website. Now, after clicking this one, you can see it will automatically open up the Mercury software. Now it's opening. It gives me intimation that my Mercury software is now out of date, but not a problem at the moment. I can say OK. Now, beautiful, nice single molecule is displayed here. So it did not draw the 3D structure as you were seeing in the Gauss view. It is giving me a simple molecule, which is perfectly fine for those people who are not really expert in reading zip file. You can get the same type of structure as you have seen in the Gauss view, but through calculate and packing. I will not do that. Now I have this zip file open up here, and now I have to export in the form that this molecule can be read by the Gauss view. And the format that I really like is the mol file. You can save it as MDL mol file. You can see different options are available here. When you're exporting or saving this file from the Mercury software, a number of different options are available. I really like MDL mol file because this format is compatible with almost like all of the computational software. So let's say I select this one to crystal file. I can set any name. And you can see here, this file will be saved in downloads. Now I have this zip file converted into mol file, and it is saved in downloads. Now if I go onto downloads here, I have the crystal file.mol. I can drag in here, and now you can see I have this molecule drawn perfectly in this window. Now you can easily see what this structure is. This one is nickel. If you click on any atom, or if you just put the cursor on an atom, you will see its identity at the bottom. Just pay attention to this region here. I click on, or I put cursor on this element here. You can see it says nickel. This one is nitrogen, nitrogen. This one is oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon. And now you can get an idea what the structure is. With this one, this is over that how to get this structure from zip file